I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, and find Magnification or the Magnifier entry. Turn the feature on and grant any camera permission the system asks for, because the tool uses your camera feed. Once done, pull down Quick Settings, Edit Tiles, and add the Magnifier tile so you can launch it instantly. This avoids digging through menus each time. It's faster and keeps the camera ready. Make sure your phone isn't in battery saver mode, which can limit camera access. Now you're using it. Tap the Magnifier tile or trigger the accessibility shortcut you set. Pinch to zoom in and out, and drag the live view to move across the scene. This controls the camera's field. Use the freeze frame button to lock a sharp image for reading small text, then pinch or zoom that frozen view. Adjust brightness and contrast controls to improve clarity, toggle the torch in low light, and switch between front and rear cameras when needed to get the clearest view. Finish by closing the magnifier when you're done, tap back or swipe away the app, and remove the Quick Settings tile if you prefer. If the magnifier won't open or shows a black screen, make sure camera permission is granted and battery saver isn't restricting background camera use. Permissions are the most common blocker. If problems persist, restart the phone, update system apps, or clear the magnifier app cache. One quick tip: reinstall or update system components if the feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.